Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you our custom 3D printed door courtesy lamp lenses, as well as how to change the stock incandescent lamps with LED replacements. We are currently only producing the white lenses. These replacements require the use of new LEDs, as they were printed using CPE plastic and will not hold up to the heat generated by the stock incandescent bulbs. They are, however, a good replacement piece, as finding good ones, especially the white ones, is nearly impossible. NOS ones show up from time to time, but can be quite costly. I found other lenses available from some vendors, but I have not checked out the quality. Let's get to it. To put the new lens in, start at the bottom, make sure that it's firmly seated all the way, and then just gently press down and push in, and you'll hear it click in place. Okay, to replace the bulb, you need like a flat screwdriver just to get in there enough where you could actually pry the bulb out. The new one presses in obviously the same exact way. In this case, you want to make sure that the LEDs are angled straight, so they're not angled, so the light escapes the lens. Okay, this is when removing the lens. You want to get a scraper that's about 1.5 inches or so wide, so it fits between the tabs. You want to slip it in, gently pry up and pull out simultaneously from the bottom, and the lens comes off and you will not break any of the tabs. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more how-tos. The link to our site is in the description. Thanks for visiting.